Our very special guest today. Please welcome Miss Universe Philippines 2024, Chelsea Manalo!
Hello. Thank you so much.
Welcome to the program.
Thank you so much for having me.
Ang ganda-ganda mo.
Salamat po.
No,
Wow.
you really are beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes. I mean, this is the first time, unang pagkakataon po, na Itay Kapuso, na nakita ko si Chelsea in person. You are gorgeous. You are
Thank you,
beautiful.
Tito Boy.
You have a crown? I want you to put this crown on me. Tingnan nga natin. Kasi napakahusay po ni Chelsea magbalanse nung ibinagay ni Michelle. You guys remember that, di ba? Subukan nga natin. Kunyari ako yung
Okay,
next
sige.
winner.
Try natin.
Yung dito may ilagay din.
Ay, eto siya. Ayan. Ayan. Ay. Ay. Ayan. Ito ata.
Yeah.